Hey everyone, Kyle here. In today's video, I'll be showing you how to fix Google Play payment unsuccessful. This payment method has been declined. So let's get started. So now here we are on the payment methods that we have here in Google Play. So to fix this is the solution would vary because there might be a different solution for each one of you that is facing your problem. So I'm just going to state each one of them. So number one would be if this message is followed by instruction for submitting additional information, then you need to provide the additional information that was requested by Google Play. And then it could also be that the billing address for your payment method, such as the credit card, does not match the address recorded in your Google Payment Center settings. So if the address doesn't match your account, then it won't go through. That would mean that you need a credit card or a payment method that matches your address on your account settings. And then another method is you can try using a Google Play gift card to complete the transaction instead of using a payment method right here in order for you to update or add balance to your Google Play. And then next is you can also try using the best interface for your computing device. If you're using a desktop computer, then it would be best to transact using the Google's product website. And if you're using a mobile device, you can try using the mobile app if it is available on your device. And next or lastly is if you are using a guest checkout when the error occurred, you can try signing into an existing Google account and placing the order again, or you could just try a new Google account if you don't already have one. Or the reason could also be that it's unable to process the payment because of the low card balance. And lastly is that your payment was declined due to an issue with your account. So if you find this message, it might be because they saw a suspicious transaction on your payments profile, or they need a little more information to protect your account against fraud, or they need a little more information to comply with the European law, or which this one would apply to European customers only, or it would depend on the country that you are in. So yeah, those are basically the causes and the solutions on how you can solve them. So I hope one of them was your case and was able to help you fix your problem here. So yeah, just follow the instructions that I have given you based on the cause of error that is causing you this problem in your Google Play payment method. So that is basically it for this video. Thank you for watching.